You ever feel like your body is running on 2% battery by the end of the day? Like you're tired, bloated, half asleep, but somehow also wide awake at 2 a.m.? Yeah, same. Now imagine fixing half of that nonsense. With one cheap, sour shot of liquid wizardry, apple cider vinegar. And no, I'm not about to sell you some $80 detox cleanse made by moon druids on TikTok. This is literally the stuff your grandma probably already has sitting in the pantry. But what this does to your blood sugar, your sleep, your digestion, your brain, your cravings, even your fat loss, is wild. So let me walk you through exactly what happens if you drink 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed, and why it might just be one of the easiest health upgrades you'll ever try. Let's go. Okay, so first up, blood sugar. When you sleep, your blood sugar isn't just chilling. Your liver is actually releasing glucose throughout the night. And if your insulin sensitivity is bad, which, let's be honest, is most people, that process turns into a sugar spike party for no reason. You wake up feeling groggy, puffy, like you fought a raccoon in your dreams. Apple cider vinegar helps stop that nonsense by increasing insulin sensitivity. The main magic behind it is called acetic acid. Sounds scary, but it's actually your best friend here. It slows the breakdown of carbs and helps your body handle glucose like a pro. So you get stable blood sugar through the night, which means better sleep and less morning chaos. Speaking of sleep, let's get into that. People think if you're tired, you'll sleep better. Not true. Ever been exhausted but just couldn't fall asleep? Or you sleep but still wake up feeling like a potato? Yeah, that's poor sleep quality. Apple cider vinegar helps with that too. It improves neurotransmitters, helps relax your nervous system, and even helps your body absorb minerals better, like magnesium and potassium, which support deeper, more restorative sleep. Plus, if you're the type to get cramps at night, like random Charlie horses out of nowhere, that's usually a mineral imbalance. And guess what helps fix it? Yup. Next up, picture this. Ever eat a late dinner and feel like you swallowed a basketball? Apple cider vinegar can help there too. That acetic acid we talked about, it helps stimulate your stomach acid, which sounds like a bad thing, but it's actually what you want. A more acidic stomach calls better digestion, which in turn means less bloating, and that eventually leads to less burping like a troll when you're trying to fall asleep. And if you get heartburn, ironically, it's often not from too much acid, but from too little. ACV can fix that too. Now let's talk about the snack demon. You're not hungry, but you find yourself haunting the fridge like it owes you money. Late night cravings are almost always tied to blood sugar dips. Drink ACV before bed, stabilize that blood sugar, and the cravings chill out. You're not fighting your brain anymore. You're just full and satisfied, free from the midnight snack monster. Now here's the part that makes the gym bros perk up. It is also burning fat. Did you know that you don't actually burn much fat while you're lifting weights, since most of your fat burning happens while you sleep? That's when your body's like, cool, we're not busy, let's clean house. But the hormone that controls that process is growth hormone. And guess what blocks it? Yep, you've guessed right, it is insulin. So if your insulin is jacked up at night because your body's still processing sugar, you're not burning much fat. But if your insulin is low, like it is after apple cider vinegar, growth hormone can do its job. You wake up leaner and meaner, no cardio required. Let's give the liver some love too. Your liver is the janitor of your body. It's taking out the trash 24/7, hormones, toxins, metabolic leftovers, and if it's backed up, you feel it. Apple cider vinegar helps your liver by improving bile flow. Bile helps you digest fats, but also helps detox the body. More bile equals to a cleaner liver, which in turn means a better digestion and more energy. Also, if you've ever had that weird ache or tension under your right rib when you lay down, that could be gallbladder related. ACV can help that too by getting bile flowing again. This last one is kind of wild. Acetic acid can actually be used as fuel by your cells. It's not just something your body tolerates. It's something your mitochondria, your little energy factories, can actually run on. So even though you're not eating carbs, you're still getting energy. Not a sugar high. A clean, stable boost that helps you sleep deeper, not shallower. Because sleep isn't passive. Your body works during sleep, and it needs energy to do that. Here's how to actually do it. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and mix it in a glass of water. Add a squeeze of lemon, or a couple drops of stevia if you're not into the sour kick. Use a straw to protect your teeth. Make sure to drink it after dinner, about an hour before bed, and please try it for just one night. Seriously, just one. And then tell me in the comments if you slept deeper, woke up feeling better, or finally didn't raid the pantry at 11 p.m. Apple cider vinegar isn't a magic potion, but it's cheap, it's simple, and the science behind it is legit. Sometimes it's not about doing more, it's about doing one small thing smarter. So try this before bed. You might just wake up better. And hey, if it works, share it with your gym bro, your sister, or your weird uncle who can't sleep without 5 bowls of cereal. As always, follow for more mental edge hacks. Peace.